Good morning, class 8. Welcome back to biology classroom once again. Today I will discuss crop improvement methods. First process is here, hybridization. By using the plant breeding techniques, the plant breeders develop new varieties which are more resistant to disease and pests and give higher yield with early maturing quality. So what is the meaning of this portion? Basically, we can use different techniques for develop new varieties of crops which are more resistant to disease and pest and give higher yield, बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में फलता है with early maturing quality, बहुत कम टाइम में. The process of crossbreeding of different plants to obtain a new improved variety of crop is called hybridization. So what is hybridization? Hybridization is a process by which basically crossbreeding of different plants is occurred to obtain a new improved variety of crops. The breeding method which uses the variation created by the mutagenesis is called mutation breeding. So basically hybridization process is followed mutagenesis process. In this method, gamma rays and X-rays are used as the mutagens which produce the required physical mutation in the plants. So here as X-rays and gamma rays are used as mutagens, as act as an agents by which they are able to produce the required physical mutation in the plants. On the other hand, ethyl methane sulfonate, ethylene imine and sodium azide are used as the mutagens. So student, you have to learn the name of some mutagens. Ethyl methane sulfonate, ethylene imine and sodium azide are used as mutagens which produce the required chemical mutation in the plants. GRO 3690, it is a kind of jute. Shorboti, Sonora, wheat, Jagannath, rice, CO 8152, sugarcane are some of the varieties produced through the mutation breeding in India. Next, another process is here, genetic engineering. Introduction and the expression of foreign DNA in plants and animals is called genetic engineering. So normally फर्स्ट डीएनए अप्लाई करने के बाद प्लांट और एनिमल में जो वेरिएशन पैदा करता है, दिस प्रोसेस इज आल्सो नोन एज जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग. इन दिस प्रोसेस बेसिकली ए जीन इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन प्लांट by the technique of recombinant of DNA technology. So here is recombination of DNA technology process is used whereas a gene is introduced in a plant. And genetic transformation, it helps in the improving the specific traits of a plant. So student, you have to learn the lines. In the genetic engineering, a gene specially introduced in plant by the technique of रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी. तो टेक्नोलॉजी का नाम क्या है? रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी. सो एक जीन को दूसरे जीन के साथ फ्यूज कर देना, दैट इज रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी. एंड जेनेटिक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, जो एक जीन का कैरेक्टर्स है दूसरा जीन में उसको ट्रांसफर करना, दैट इज जेनेटिक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. इट हेल्प्स इन द इम्प्रूविंग द स्पेसिफिक ट्रेट्स ऑफ प्लांट. सो स्टूडेंट, already I have completed the chapter. Now I will discuss the exercise of this chapter. So look at the objective question. First question is here. Which of the following is an example of a kharif crops? That is rice. Next, which of the following is the next step in the agricultural practices once the seed is sown? So seed sow करने के बाद first process क्या होगा? Irrigation. Which of the following is a biennial crop? That is carrot. एक साल में मतलब क्रॉप बड़ा होता है, दूसरा साल में कैरेट पैदा करता है. Which of the following is used for the cutting crops? Sickle. Who is considered as the father of organic farming? Albert Howard. Next, fill in the blanks. Kharif crops are grown in monsoon season. Next, perennial crops are the ones which complete their life cycle in 1 year or in one growing season. The process in which mutation is occurred with the help of mutagens is called mutagenesis. Rabi crops are grown during the winter. Next, dash involves the uses of fertilizers to improve the soil and crops, that is agriculture. Sowing of Rabi crops takes place at the starting of winter. Now, true and false. Seed selection is a very important aspect of agriculture, that is true. The amount of rainfall required to grow Rabi crops is more than the Kharif crops. Answer will be false. Organic farming degrades the biological activity of soil. True. Sorry, आंसर विल बी फॉल्स. हम गलत फहमी से इसको ट्रू लिख दिए. आंसर विल बी फॉल्स. कम नहीं करता है, उसको एनहांस करता है. In genetic engineering, a gene is introduced in plant by the technique of recombinant DNA technology and genetic transformation. Answer will be true. And horticulture is a branch of agriculture which deals with the study of crop plants. So plants के साथ ये normally क्या होगा? Vegetables, flowers, ये भी हो सकता है. तो as because यहाँ पे crop plants दिया हुआ है, इसको आंसर हम लोग true ही लिखेंगे. So student, already I have completed the chapter. So I hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion.